Hey folks, Tim here. We're just down the road from the field school in Ashland, and this little stretch of rips is on the Big Machias River right before it crosses under the Garfield Road. We call this the Starch Factory Rips because there's an old starch factory that they used to make starch for the dry cleaning industry here. But it's awesome to have such fantastic water local. We are super fortunate to have tons of great water right around the field school. I think we have 7 canoeable, navigable waterways within about 10-minute drive of the field school. So this is a great one, and we're out here today because we are getting close to the end of the semester, and we're doing the harder poling exercises here in the rips. We had some rain overnight, so it's a lot cooler and nicer. The bugs aren't as bad. Brought the water level up, so we've got guys out with poles and canoes, and they're working on the more advanced maneuvers. So specifically stopping and holding in a rip, upstream ferries, downstream ferries, all in fast moving water. As you can see, this isn't easy to do. Fast water, deep water, makes for challenging poling.